this video to show you a really cool search feature that you can use within Facebook for some lead generation when you're looking for sale by owner properties, owner finance properties, creative deals. Doesn't matter what it is. So what that is going to be the marketplace notifications feature. Now the great thing is you don't actually have to manually search for these properties. You're going to set up notifications, so every time a property is listed under one of those keywords, it's going to send you a notification. Now the great thing about this is speed to lead, right? The faster that you can get in front of somebody as soon as they post that listing, the more chances that you have of locking in that deal. So the first thing that you guys want to do when doing this is making sure you have your notifications turned on. So you're going to go to the top right-hand corner of your screen here where it says account. That's where your little picture is for your profile. You're going to go to settings and privacy. You're going to click on the settings gear, and then it's going to take you to a new page. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to go to notifications. Under notifications, you're going to scroll down to marketplace. Now you want to make sure allow notifications on Facebook is turned on. Now you can receive notifications in different ways, either push notification, email, or SMS. I have all three turned on just so I don't miss a notification because like I said, speed to lead is important. You may not see it in one place, but you may see it in another. So that's good to have multiple options there. Now, once you have that turned on, what we're going to do is we're going to go back home and we're going to go to the Facebook Marketplace. And under the Facebook Marketplace, you're going to see Search Marketplace. It's here at the top left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, I've already searched some keywords, so we're just going to use owner finance here. Now, what you're going to notice is everything that's listed on the marketplace under owner finance, you can hit here under the very bottom under the search. It's going to say notify me. Now, the great thing about this is it's going to notify you every time a listing comes up under that owner finance keyword. Now, the cool thing is, let's say that you have a specific price point that you're looking in. Let's say you don't want to purchase homes over 500,000, or you have someone with a buy box 500,000 and under. You can hit that as your max purchase price is going to be 500,000. So you don't see all the listings that pop up. It's just the listings 500,000 and under. You could also set the location radius. So you could have it 40 miles out, 60 miles out from your area, 5 miles, even 1 mile. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. You could go statewide. Let's just say 100 miles, 250. You could even go as far as 500 miles. That goes all the way into Georgia, right? So it's a great feature to have. Once you set that, you're going to create an alert. And now for that keyword owner finance, you're going to have that set up. Now you can set up other keywords, owner finance homes, notify me, create alert. You could do FSBO homes, notify me, create alert. And the more keywords that you can set up, the more alerts that you're going to get, and the more fresh leads that you're going to generate every single day for your business. And this is great for you because it's minimum effort. They're literally just going to send you the notifications. Now, why this is important is because of speed to lead. Now, speed to lead is a term that a lot of people use when it comes to marketing with advertising. So let's say someone's doing TikTok ads or Facebook ads or something, and they have that lead comes into their CRM. They want to hit that lead as fast as possible because the longer that lead is sitting, the less likely you are to be the one to close the deal. Now, the good thing about this is you're not spending money on marketing. You're not spending tons of time looking all over Facebook for these leads. They're literally being sent to you for free. This is huge for anybody that does not have a lot of money to get started in real estate because it's free. It only takes your time. Now, at that point, once you get that notification, hit that lead as fast as possible so that way you can get in front of that seller and then you can try to close that deal. I hope that this helped you guys out. If you're watching this on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, something like that, give me a like, a share, follow, subscribe, and also, just take some time, leave some comments, let me know the value that you got from the video. All right, thank you. Take care.